Greg, look out! Oh, you useless! I got it now! Die! Oh no! Blue only knocked down 2 of them! Hey, Speedy, use your speed and take out the gunner! Oh, damn! Looks like I gotta use the Mighty Eagle. Are you sure you wanna do that? I have to! Oh, come on. Oh, 99 cents! The kids don't wanna pay that! Oh, try it for free! I gotta use that. You are also a Mighty Eagle pre-level. Do you want to lose your progress within the current level? I don't care! As long as we take out those freaking pigs! Take them pigs! Die! Wait, come on now. What is Tuna doing here? Oh no! That's cheating!
This time, the movie Turning Red is Back is coming to theaters in February 9th, 2024 in Disney Pixar for 2022 and years old.
And May May is back, and who is the mysterious hero?
What will we do next? I love being me.